Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. AMC is up 16.3% as we currently speak, and stay tuned in this video. We are going over the option flows and the option trades that institutional investors are making, and they are loading up the boat with call options now on AMC stock. So congratulations to everybody. Let's hope the portfolios are looking good after this move that we are seeing. We're also going to go over the short interest. We're going to go over everything that you guys need to know, but you guys should also know that we called this out at the bottom. So if you guys want access to all of my trades as well as the community chat and all of that good stuff, if you need a mentor, if you don't know what you're doing with options, whatever the case is, check out that link pinned in the top comment down below. Now let's dive into this video, and I do want to start off with the technicals because we are at a very important level. If we pull this up to the daily chart, we are in between this level that I've been talking about for a while now, in between $18 or really $17, $17.50 and $18.50. So we're in this level. If we break out above $18.50, our next stop is going to be $20 per share. So keep that in mind. The volatility is high with AMC today, but it's not going straight up. So we could actually not see a halt today unless the stock really just does start to go crazy. But what really kicked all of this off was this candle right here. And I mean, AMC was up like 11%, but this candle is very interesting. You've seen 2 million shares that traded hands, so it does look like a short in some form covered right here, or something happened, a big block trade, something. We're gonna dive into right now the option flow of AMC. But first and foremost, I do want to give you guys the main catalyst why this is actually happening. AMC did something that is actually quite rare. They released some of their financial data points that is going to come out on their earnings report, and I think this was a calculated move by the management of AMC. So love them or hate them, but they are the reason why the stock is up in between 15 and 20% by the time you guys do see this video. Now, exactly what the numbers were and why people are so excited, you have analysts now saying that AMC took advantage of the retail movement and now they are a much different company, and this does prove this. So it says the company released preliminary unaudited financial results for the final 3 months of 2021, revealing sales of approximately $1.17 billion ahead of the $1.09 billion estimated by analysts surveyed by FactSet. It would be the highest quarterly revenue in 2 years. Earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, EBITDA, a key adjusted metric of profits, is expected to be between $146.8 million and $151.8 million for the quarter. That's far ahead of the 82 million analysts expected by Wall Street, and the most profitable the company has been based on that metric since the same quarter in 2019 when AMC reported EBITDA of 269 million. So they're essentially free cash flow positive, baby. We are seeing the financials come to life for AMC. So congratulations to everybody that has held onto their positions. Now let's get into the actual data behind AMC, and the order flow is what strikes me very, very much, because we have been seeing very negative orders for a long time with AMC. A lot of puts, a lot of, a shorter dated put contracts, which did add artificial shorting power to the stock. But take a look at this. February 4th, a block trade for the 1650 strike, 180 of these at $1.80 a piece. That was 32,000. And I should say, these are not retail investors. These are institutional orders, and that is it. Now, February 19th, or February 11th, $19 call, 36,000 for that order. Another February 4th, $19 call, 39,000 for that order. February 4th, $17 call, $34 for that order. We do have a put coming in, an $19 strike put, which, I mean, they're getting clapped on that as we currently speak. And then you do have February 11th to February 11th, $17 calls right here for 35,000 and 31,000 right there. Another call trade as well, and then 2 more put trades. So overwhelmingly high majority of orders coming in today are actually calls, and that is helping to boost us to the upside. If shorts are not covering, that's why we are going higher. Now the short interest did go from 21% to 20.83%. 2.3%, in line with what you would expect to see on a 15% move. I guess that just goes to show how explosive AMC is actually going to be once the MOAS does happen. Now, you are looking at about 107 million shares that are sold short. An estimate cost to borrow max is not going up since the last video, still at 2.32%, but I do imagine that it is starting to move to the upside as we are moving to the upside as far as the share price is concerned. Share utilization 81.07%, days to cover 2.55 days to cover. So this is some huge news, and I hope you guys realize just how big this is and how substantial. I mean, they're free cash flow positive. That's insane to have a positive EBITDA when they've had such a bad number for so long. You're also seeing a lot of calls, like I said, going into the money with 50,000 calls that are currently in the money, which just like 2 days ago, there was virtually none that were in the money. Out of the money calls standing at 78,000. So a lot of option activity for the day. Puts are getting destroyed with 4,400 puts that are in the money. Out of the money puts at 71,000. So this is very encouraging numbers that we are looking at. And this is the news. I mean, probably the best news we could honestly have asked for to come from AMC management. So thank you, Adam Aaron. Thank you, everybody that did put out that financial report. Definitely making AMC shine today. Now, I also do want to go over the 13F filings because, wow, are these encouraging as well. So we've went over all of the other ones besides the day, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have a 98,000 share brand new position for $2.6 million. You see this firm, Atlas Capital Advisors, did decrease their position by 8.75%. This fund, though, added to their position 150%, and this fund initiated a brand new 36,000 share position. So you definitely see a lot of institutional money that is flowing into AMC today, and this just goes to show, I mean, like I said, how explosive AMC is going to be, especially when it's close, if not under its fundamental valuation. Now that AMC, once they do actually announce they're free cash flow positive or actually even turn a profit, that's when you're going to see the markets start to appreciate AMC more as a legit business that should be valued higher. As you guys do know, stocks that are not profitable right now are not highly liked, and they have fallen into the dirt, AMC included. So looking good right there. As far as the max pain, you're looking at $15 per share. We're obviously well above that. If earnings are bad, sure, we could fall back down to 15, but I never hold my hat on the max pain, and I never directly make trades based off of the max pain. We could definitely be over $20 by the end of the week if earnings are good, and that's exactly what I'm gonna hope for, because like I said, I did have some trades on this. I'll probably make some more trades on this. So if you guys want access to all of those trades, check that link out in the pinned comment. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you for staying positive. Thank you for seeing the light at the end of the tunnel with AMC. Surely we have a long ways to go, and we're gonna be here. We're in there like swimwear every single day. You guys already know, but it's still a good sign. It's a good sign to bring that kind of bullish momentum back into the stock and to get people paying attention to AMC again. And I do think you're seeing a lot of FOMO buyers, a lot of the naysayers of AMC. They're the ones that are helping to fuel this rally, as we already have hopefully brought our averages down quite a bit, and we can help just, you know, ride the show and hold the float like we always do. So that's going to be all for this video. Love and appreciate you guys. Like I said, if you guys want to get totally free stock in the grand scope of the markets and how much our portfolios are probably down, mine included, not a bad time to get yourself some free stocks. So if you guys want 5 free stocks, check out Moomoo. If you guys want 4 free stocks, check out Webull. And if you want 1 free share valued up to $1,000, check out Public. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, you guys take care.